come my way. Oh, yeah.
So, good morning.
Good morning.
It's unfortunately, and I think actually, I think I called you the last time.
Oh, come. Unfortunately, actually, you called me last time. Does that mean you didn't want to call me, but you called out of mistake or something?
Actually, that time I was busy. That's why I was.
Actually, you were busy.
Unfortunately.
And so what?
Oh, that's what I'm saying. So unfortunately, you just forget.
No, I don't understand. Unfortunately, actually, what do you mean? Now go straight to the point. What do you want?
So, but you want to let me catch you.
Speak English. What do you want?
Say, Pacho, can I call you?
You are a student, isn't it?
Yes, please. Sir, please, this is my sister.
She's
Yes,
also
so I want to bring her to the school.
You want admission for her?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we discussed at home and we came. And now we have come. So we said, listen, we're there.
This boy.
Kasi children there.
Into Bia pine, no bon, now the blob will be trim, no, anyway.
See me.
Okay, go on.
Yeah, so but the number saying you've been admission, man.
Been admission, man.
Pacho.
And then the admission house is down.
Yes, please.
And the one who come out, brother, the gentleman.
So you know I'm not a bad person.
So be I to be a multi. So said that
Huh? Oh, so actually, it's not my fault. Sometimes,
actually, it's not your fault.
They bring themselves for me
to beat them.
I didn't say that, but boss.
They bring themselves for you to beat them. So you can't forgive.
Unfortunately, let's take it that way.
May God forgive you.
Amen. And bless you too.
What's your name, young lady? Britta. Okay. How long have you been home?
Like, wow, boom, in any tree.
Stand up. How long have you been home? Right after your exams, your results came in?
3 years.
3 years? You sat home for 3 years. And what were you doing? Nothing. But you felt reluctant to continue education, isn't it? So what makes you feel you go to school? Should you come here?
So you don't say something make come. So be another school no cratting in swam, please.
Enti mo ten bia no ye try say be shape mo simply because I high school. No be sua de wa. Se be ya mo free ha no ma mo do efia ye be hu difference no. Se mo free na mo raw materials. Ba mo free school mo ba no. More than finished products. Ye try say ye be mo do mo yie no. Na mo so mo to pete.
Say the mommy aboy you ntino. Kasi mo mo dia dia.
Okay, no problem. I'll okay, go to the administrator.
That administrator?
Yes.
Which one? The one, big one.
We have only one administrator here. So go to the administrator. Tell him I said you should come to him with your sister. Okay. He will give everything and then the prospectus. Everything will be done. Okay. I'll call him myself. And from there, you go to the buzzer and make the payments.
Thank you, sir. God bless
you. Go to the bank. You know how we make our payments. You go to your bank, you get bankers drafted, then you go and give it to the buzzer.
Payment, you know, say.
The buzzer will tell you that he will give you the details of the payment.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
And then you, over school, I hope say when this subamboni be away. Obra oba him and over school also subamboni. In the hope say, my father subani be school, over him at school. What the bar, my pam.
Ask my sister,
hey, Oba school man now begins to my pam. What it? And down
Huh? I don't think she will do that.
Leave. Go to the administrator.
Okay. Go ahead and let me talk to you, sir. Okay. Sir, thank you so much. I didn't really you can do this for me.
Because you didn't trust yourself. You know you're not a good boy.
White BM man are very dangerous. This is my sister. I trust you because you are a boss and a headmaster.
That's okay.
Go. But please, I wanted to ask you. How on your penny for now? Sorry, sir. I was just asking.
Leave.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Foolish man.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Dennis.
Oh, yeah.
The reason why I came from the hostel to this place, I wanted to talk to you. Not even talk to you. I came here to warn you.
To me?
Yes, to warn you.
You are talking to Benis.
Benis.
Yes, you are talking to
you. Yes, you.
Seer, you are talking to your best friend.
Best friend.
Your advisor.
Since when did you become my advisor?
Really?
Since when? Listen. I didn't like how you talked to my man the other time.
Your man?
Yes.
Aroma or who?
My J.
Mike J. Ah, you are dating Mike J.
I'm dating. You know what? I didn't like how you talked to him.
How?
You are exceeding your limits. Stay in your lane. Wait.
I don't get it. Wait!
The fact that we are friends doesn't give you the chance to talk to my man anyhow.
Oh.
Because I don't talk to any of your friends or your man or anybody like that. So know how you talk.
In so much you too, na me too for so enjoy the oil or the no.
Is it your body?
Is it my body?
Are you the one in the relationship?
Please, I'm sorry.
Go and apologize to him, not me.
Apologize to who?
I've already done my part.
Me? Apologize to my J.
Do it before it's too late, else you are going to regret it for the rest of your life.
I'm not going to do that.
You will.
Please, I'm not going to do that.
Somewhere.
Market where I'm not going to apologize to anyone.
I've done my part, and then he has forgiven me because he loves me so much. So go and apologize to him before things get worse.
Who is serious? This is the last one I'm giving you.
It's not your body. Then I'm a relationship, and I'm saying, "Come on, how you saying? Do you fear them? So what?
Mindy me fear them.
So what? This is the last warning I'm giving you. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane.
Also, when you talk, I can't my J do it.
Stay in your lane. My J who no be farming and farming.
When Jay sounds sana what sense no me so now. Me sure ni so ama who nyansa wate. So who ni nyansa? Me sure ni so.
Me
sure ni so. O pasat no nsa wa ha.
Ana woni me boy no.
O de kofa Jimmy Oku.
Woni me boy no.
Tu no nti akoko.
Eh your body.
Enye me body
so de. No enka sem biem. So what the make no. De o ye cry nti dey na ye na ye koye no. Ska lorry fam ya nam to yae.
We Jimmy on.
O pay so me nam to ma wo. Msa ye airtime ma wo. Fama de send me. Ele sa me kwako fam my jam na be jam.
Eh o ma wi ni bi ma onu mu nti ama wa adwi na ebo mu.
Mami. I did this kind of man maybe so go and apologize to him. And that's how whom he was school. So what?
O de ko.
O last one in a media.
Me last one me sure ni so asasa we chibra kwasi age. And then I go apologize to my J no e hwan. Obebu eku nye hu hwe obeku wo. Abetu o hostel ho no.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I'm in the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brosso with Maya. Me, person me come any months with your Maya. Oh, Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish.
Some walk of fortunes, I mean, like a big problem. We are. Okay, so it's yeah, next time if you feel, I will say, yes. See, I speak to you. The baby, it was saying, as a man got that, there was a man so like, hey, good blood.
Adam, are you okay?
Oh, yeah.
What do you mean by yeah?
I'm okay, I'm fine. Sit down.
You've been sitting here talking to yourself. I've been standing here. And you're telling me you are okay. What do you mean by you're okay?
I'm okay, Precious. Just sit down. I was not talking to myself.
You're okay, you're a therapist. Huh?
So when you're okay, where a therapist? I'm fear college, long no. This moment will be 2 hours. The next is any panic.
He wasn't just quiet. He was talking to himself.
He was talking to himself. Huh? Are you a therapist? I'm asking.
At least I can talk. I'm not a professional therapist, but I can talk to him as a therapist.
See yourself.
Why do you always have to get involved?
What's that? Someone's any part to what din. One. On bet magaze. Uti wodi the other when you're broken yatana. What's that? I'm minister money party. That munya is the be obi to wodi India and I'm over change story.
Chasu.
Come out for there. Now then how Magaria BJ
Precious, you live okay.
Oh, I can't leave. What at all can this guy tell you for you to
I'm
okay.
Come out for here.
Just leave. Like most mukra do Precious. Like money problems.
Is this what you're telling me?
Yes, that's what she's telling you. Precious, you
So you're listening to this guy?
I'm not listening to him. Like it's something personal. You just.
Personal.
I mean,
just leave. Okay, I'll join you.
I want him to bring you back. Come on for here.
Scanty.
Go down along now.
Scanty, you're making me go.
Precious, I said go. I'll join you at the back there.
Fanfula. Big fanfula. Abijina just en kan go yes na betena say. Pamu ko. Ko nimbi. Why are you? What's what here na ba ko? Sa na wo se wo ye.
Mike. My dad.
So wo ye. What it? Ni so mo ba jina wonim kasa rough for one time. Oh yeah no what here no. Go. No ko. Yo. Oh ni all this time. Just na make a jono. One in the house say there pan how and tia wo be ma wo dwendwene gidigidi there asem
Then I have Mike. There will be said then I am. The only nearby me like any same like Mike. Me some hamu. Some hamen.
Neba
Ni na free
ni na free me. Meba o. Nti me how me boa.
Mike kuma me ninka o school.
Me how me boa.
Oh hame.
Meba me busa asem. So yi anu ami how be you. Dide na obeto say gina ho ye ko no ana me ka bibi family no asembe na aka kire
Mike say no man ka say be mo oni adwuma de ono nka o me ka be mo
asia munyina mo ye pe munyina mo ye mema oso obi ayere no wo ye adwuma o hwe na me woni ndentia na de bia me koba me ko ye adwuma masani bia ma me nua no de bia hwa akora no. At that time, I mean, himself, oh, was the campaign you in Archimini and I want to end style. Come on, meow, come da. Forget to say, I remember Conokurao. Jimmy watching you at the piano. And I may catch a grand ovation now. This time,
coming, Casamin.
Any casualties, I want to go. Oh, yeah, Union now, Macola Buna say. Me, see, I cried a woman ball pressure be you, Debbie. What the say, I know for me.
My who pese me wana.
Who are now go?
I know ni aba who pese me.
Now what the okwa now you wanna me sha akra no. Me hu na me sha akra no. Who ko ba bi o next time who see for baba ko.
Mike. Mo tete me mo ha me like.
Adams.
Pray me go inside like.
Ada wo chen ho. Be mama attitude chen ho. We Jimmy too. Etu mufo amunti because na me hard guy no kura me ge baaku me nya baaku bia na mayre me twa fa ho na wo de wo for baaku anu asa akofa second one serious ana no wo for baaku serious na dia ka no mo ba see ya na dia akofa me guess me ensa omu nyina for mu serious wajimi. Guess me as I form serious.
There is something you are doing in the school that might really affect you.
And what is that?
I've realized that you've gotten yourself involved in CMIJ's issues.
Their issues?
Yes.
How? I don't get it.
You've been meeting Seer and advising her.
Oh. But can't you see my J is very toxic towards Sia?
But that's not your case.
It's my case. It's my
No.
friend. Sia is my friend.
But it doesn't matter. You know my J is a bad person. He can even ask people to beat you up because you are
Beat to me?
Yes.
Me?
Yes.
Beat me, Benis. That guy is very toxic. He doesn't respect. Like, I don't get it. Me, some issues now, they all treat Sia. No, I don't like it.
But you don't have to get yourself involved.
Why are you even saying this?
I just care about you.
You want him to kill Sia?
No.
So why?
If Sia wants to leave, Sia can just leave. Why is Sia still there?
So if Sia was supposed to be your sister,
would
you have stood there for my J to maltreat her?
If I advise her and she's still there, what can I do about it? Right now, you've advised her on so many occasions and she's still there.
I'm still on it. I think she'll change.
She will not.
She will.
I know Sia. And besides, if you're in your relationship and people just keep on coming to advise you, what would you do? It's their relationship.
It's normal.
How many times has Sia advised you?
Sia can't
You
advise
have your own
though.
problems. But people don't come to advise you. It's their personal matter. Sia still wants to be with my J. That's her issue.
So are you saying I should stay away from Sia and my J?
Yes. Because you will get yourself into trouble. My J is really bad. He's not mentally stable. If you get yourself involved, Benis, you will lose everything you have.
I've heard you. I know we are here to learn, but you have heard you. I won't even talk about their issue
Don't
anymore.
talk about
even when I
it.
meet Sia coming, I'll just pass by. I won't even
Don't talk about it.
or
Because
something like that.
you
because
end up being the third person. After solving everything, Sia might go and tell my J, yeah, the reason she's acting the way she's
I
acting.
get it. It's
And
true.
besides, you know Sia. I'm not
For
sure.
that girl too, she's very troublesome.
I'm not sure it's just all about my J. Sia also does her things. Do you know the number of times people come and drop Sia? Today Benz, tomorrow Honda. Every car, every single day the car changes.
I'm aware of that, but yes, still, I just wanted to advise her.
So if my J is beating her up, in a way she deserves it. But as a guy, you don't have to be beating your
He
girl
will kill
up.
the girl.
I understand, but don't get yourself involved. That's it.
I've heard you. If you say so, I've heard you. That's fine.
It's
Thank
good.
you. I've heard you.
Let's go. Why are you just going? Why are you pissed?
No, I'm not. You let's go. I'm not pissed. I'm fine.
Yeah, me pen kwa me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months I drum meya. Oh Lord.
The reason why I called you here this afternoon is because of anything. Once a school muhana waba. I decided to get you another school, a better school than this one. And you decided to still join us here. When you are baby, it's the aka in a futu and a casa. It's Yama, send a make a children as a futu and a casa. They make a cuisine and it says, come on, Abano. You should be very careful with how you are going to choose your friends. So what I say. Now for some people be school man, me na school man how. Me na school man am name the echo. Sa school man girls no. Hwe hu yi. Ana mema ne bi wo kra na omo chan ba no. What I say. Nye se bia wo ya na akogina ba bia na wodi nkomo bi. Na example na me ye onye se bia me bia na Scanty kra se fie mene na mene no kra oba. Me se me de me ba na isi o but me say me didn't see, but like I have shown you any casa. Na school mo anso no den a waba no me no be gina baby di nkomo ye be ko ha be say amanfo hu sa de ne pe no ma start ben no mo be toto wa no ana wan carries one chiro mo be say that say me na Scanty cry or girls who school mo the girl back no me school mo me no bia nte den a oba be catch us in your girl nipa no be kan jiweni men jindi so what else in school ma me no oba bia e be me come school times one come be ana I am addition any more enchen agro na mo di no hostel one no
Ujina here Ujina here Kai why are you for
Scanty.
Fria
See,
me boss suma bodan free say
Na ibu wa beto.
Onya Jimmy ni sa akwase edi na abebo ni sisia na ho. You know what I can do to you? Leave here!
Na remember we canteen on.
And also you the who to nefo. So be you ne be keke fa na achi na ko no me wa. Me wa agye so sin wo. Se sa agye na ade aba ade amasa. Wo be free school mo eja me nua no chase na me ka che wo. Chase na me ka che wo.
Futu na me tu no.
Asiana what won for you? What won for you? Le mami muso ni mnyan che cha ro for fu bu na na odi akwa ni sika na e ma no chase na me ka che wo no. Apart from akwa ni sika eni ni mbejire won be ne mbedidi nkomo bi ona be tu ne fo. Me no one wo so tu ne fo. Ah?
Na ikunu ya ba no menso me
Foolish boy like you.
Me no obanti den
Maza hweru na hwe wo ba. Ni efu ni efutu bi atase na me ka che wo no. Foolish boy like you. Any more stick. Abuojia. Foolish boy, how dare you? How dare you? To talk to my sister and say we 24.
Okay, you want my own we
see. Man boy, you start dim. I also there.
I'm on your ntem aden.
What you mama nya ni tie dim?
What it is?
Baby o, we person ku o, this tie dey drum nya no ku o. The yes matoko come out. What it? Foolish boy. Shasuko anu so tell you to say shemanim. Shasuko. Ama na nkwa ku o be kire akra na wo no pe. Shasuko ni da chimi. Open now. Huh?
Mike, me tune for
mama so I chance open now.
I said there was come about the other so maybe.
To yam so the upper France akaminian. Hey! Obema tin we odi bididi agoro minyana se.
Na nya no na de we.
Se minim. Ba minyana na no ye me nwanwa. Mo ye me nwanwa. So timi minyana soro. Min kan sempi. You are shitting. You are two friend. What has Namaka told? But you tell if you near to be at the movie now or two. Go to a fanafo. Goes out of a rain, Nakutu for you, Mike. Oh, for Cochini, I don't also go to the fool. I say, Minunia more for the Maza, man from your father. Mike. Jim, I told you, we come out to you. Mitonya me debe toso mi ensa na o. Ye o se toso mi ensa wa me show me side. Mike me say no se me ka cho separate ni manches. Bra na me ko a. Bra. Na me ko a. Bra.
So, how have you been coping with everything?
Oh, in fact, since I came back, things they've changed quite a bit, but
I mean, with your academics.
Oh, you mean academically? Oh.
What do you mean by
You know, like I missed a lot of classes when I was away.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm still catching up.
Oh, it's good you're catching up. You have to revise and then catch up. You even have to be ahead of the class. Because
I've been studying on my own. I've also been seeking help from others. Yeah.
But these days you've not been coming for prep.
Why come? It's just I don't come to your class anymore.
Why don't you come to my class?
Yeah, I go to the business block.
That block is so noisy.
No.
How do you study there?
It's not noisy at all.
It is. You have to come to our class.
I don't go to the class on the bottom floor. Top floor.
Still, our class is very serious. Come there and study. Okay? And if you know that you and Asantue's issue is bothering you...
why are you trying to bring up the issue with Asantue?
No, if you know it's bothering you, talk to somebody.
It's not that.
You don't have to add her to your thoughts.
No, I'm not adding her to it. How you doing?
Brother James, hi.
How you doing?
Brother James, hi.
Good. How are you?
Oh, I'm good. Oh, but I said, Precious is Charlie.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. But Precious is
how are you?
Oh, I'm good. By the grace of God, I'm good. But like I said, Precious is trying to greet you. Why are you ignoring her or whatever?
Brother Vaughn, I am going to preach.
Oh no, Brother James. No.
I don't have time for this nonsense.
What nonsense?
Should I go?
She's just trying to extend her greeting to you. Why are you trying to act as if she's a bad person?
Vaughn, have you seen what I'm talking about?
Brother James, what has she done to you?
What are you talking about?
Precious Cunningham. Look at how innocent she looks. Brother, is there something bothering you?
This girl, she is the definition of ungratefulness.
Ungratefulness.
If you say somebody is ungrateful, if the word ungrateful is to be a human being, it will be this girl.
Ah, Brother James.
Why are you making such a harsh statement like that?
But Yvonne, do you know she nearly died? Precious nearly died. That useless, foolish, scanty guy nearly killed this girl.
Oh, it wasn't a big deal.
Ah, and you didn't tell me when I came.
Oh, it wasn't a big deal.
Not a big deal.
And I thought you already hear about it.
It's okay. It's okay. Please.
Brother Yvonne, I was inside reading my Bible as usual. You know. You see what I'm talking about?
Relax.
You know,
the Spirit of the Lord
exactly
will give you calmness. Feel.
I was inside reading my Bible and I heard a noise. Obin bro. So I thought the building was even collapsing. I rushed out and saw this girl lying helplessly on the floor. On the floor.
That's what?
It's true.
It's true, and you didn't decide to tell me or anything.
I thought you would hear about it on campus.
But Yvonne, I'm not done.
And it's in the past.
I'm not done.
Flow.
She was lying on the floor. I had to rush inside and bring my Bible again, and pray for her. So as I was praying, the Lord gave me a direction. No, this isn't a spiritual problem. You have to take her to the hospital. What are we supposed to call? Normally, when somebody collapses, what are we calling?
Ambulance.
Exactly. This useless Brother James turned into an ambulance. I carried her with my hands like this from here to Apatrapa Junction. I ran. But Yvonne, I'm serious. Don't think I'm joking. I'm serious.
Hey, Samson.
I took this girl to the hospital. I had to wait and talk to the doctors. Now they told me that she needs blood transfusion. Brother Vaughn, I came back to the hostel, ate certain foods. You know, I ate some food to get energy. To get enough blood. I went to the hospital again to tell her that this is what the doctors have said. You know what she said?
What did she tell you?
Yeah, I think you have to look for Scanty, and you have to say you're a stupid girl like you.
In this situation, we're still looking for Scanty.
Oh, it wasn't that bad. I just thought
it wasn't that bad. You collapsed and you needed blood, and you were saying it wasn't that bad. Precious, can you hear yourself?
He wants to hit me.
Relax.
Where was that foolish guy when you collapsed?
Relax.
I was the ambulance when you were on the floor.
And I've always been grateful. I thanked this guy. I don't know why he's doing this. Yes. I thanked him.
I am going to preach to them how to exercise patience.
But you're not exercising patience as you are standing here.
Brother Vaughn, I would like to go.
Brother James.
Brother Vaughn.
Oh, apologize for me.
Okay.
Oh,
I'm very, very sorry.
on my behalf.
What she has done is very, very horrible. It's inhumane.
No problem.
I will speak to her for you, please.
I actually don't have any problem with her. But tell her that in case somebody tried to do something like that for her again, she shouldn't be ungrateful to that person.
I am so grateful.
Don't tell me the mega for neighbor bow and also what we say you're gonna mean.
You Brother James, God bless you. Hey. So this is what happened when I was gone. And you decided not to tell me. Yet you come to me and be like, why don't I tell you my matters? And then something serious like this happened, you never told me. Precious. After all he did, you still wanted Scanty. Scanty to come and do what for you? The same person who caused this. I'm pretty sure he's the same person who caused this.
I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking straight. I shouldn't have asked of Scanty. I'm really sorry. I've told him that I'm sorry and then I'm grateful, but I don't know why he's making this a big deal. Please talk to him for me.
Precious, Scanty is bad news. I'll speak with Aroma or Brother James, however you call him. I'll speak with him for you. But don't ever make this mistake again.
I won't even collapse again.
I didn't say we anymore.
Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me I'm in broso with me yeah. Me person me come any months with me yeah. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill my wish. Oh yeah. I pray that today you go be my day. Yeah. Yeah, me punk when I mean you the party they come my way. Oh yeah.
Pray.
Pre.
P for pray.
P for pray. So,
I'm just here. Oh yeah.
it seems you're not okay.
I'm okay. You can ask everybody in the school. These days I'm just like this. I'm mostly just on my own.
Oh, okay. I was going to buy something, but me who I say the way I'm going sit on. And anytime be me who be you're always alone.
Well, this school, I've learned a lot from this school. I've realized that the more voices you let in, the lesser you hear yours. So I'm just mostly in my own space because I don't want any trouble. Do you get it? Because I've realized that I've let so many people in my life and it didn't help me. Anybody that comes into my life betrays me. You know Pastor James, right? Just recently we were being cool. And then now he has stayed away.
Pastor James.
Yes. Anybody that I've tried to be close to has betrayed me. And then how am I supposed to trust someone else? I'm mostly in my own space. It's very hard for me to trust these days.
Okay. Yeah, what can be a woman, you see? We can be friends.
That's one mistake I'll never do. This girl, she was also a new girl, Rachel. She also acted this way, and I was like, nah. And now she knows her boundaries. I don't really allow people into my space anymore. We can just be chill.
Listen, let's be friends, okay? Because that's anytime be me who be any friends be you're always alone. No matter why your name will be, huh? Let's be friends.
And I have to.
And there's one more thing, like you see me, you understand? Me share any my dear so I can see there also oh yeah brilliant.
Oh, I can be helping you. I can be helping you in class, but it doesn't necessarily mean I can be that close with you. Do you get it?
But I'm saying my father and for I say still now say what you try on there. I mean found I mean when go for mama pay me now for. Ah when you cry my baby na say me pese me no ya down for wo be chichu nwa so. Me quiet.
Oh wait, I don't mean it that way. Oh, calm down. I don't mean it that way. It's just that you see, you just came. I don't really know you that well. So I have to study you well. That's why.
You have to study me. Now ade kakra wo mo. Me say person wey me no ya down for say you have to study me. Ade me your for.
Oh, Amma, don't do that.
Don't do that, say. Listen, person, I know you're down for say you have to study me.
But I can't just stand up and be your friend.
Prayer say, oh dear, me when say as when you cramp me back, when you're okay that as my brain wants to know because you have to study me. You come. So one cause how can I say ready at so baby I'm no, yeah, no boy.
I'll be coming.
You bye.
This by force friendship is friendship by force.
Yeah, I'm in Pankwan, I mean, the party they come my way. Oh, yeah. Me, I'm in Brussels.
Seer, ready an introduction to everyone I'm present here. Just a small introduction. Me nearby.
Oh, really?
Yeah. A friend of Bretta. Yeah, me about like only Dimitri, I'm a backbone. I am a straight backbone. You get my girlfriend.
Hi.
And young ho bro for some no wa bone. And young ho bro for some idea bay. Obi any same family no anyina ya bon ba so person ya ho me say my bon ba me you wa bon same me dunya me. Not disgrace. It's not about disgrace. If someone like Wabon, I also know you to Wabon. It's the entire issue and say, so the way Huna Unko Bunen because they mean Subain or sometimes a chia, your mommy Subain sometimes a chia, Sinam Dimini and a tron. And be Hunim Remrano. Never. You do. Remember Hunim Remrano. Also, remember Hunim Remrano because my girlfriend. Just na me catch on. So bi ni ye bibia o no na also ta na chi. Also bibi koso o no na also ye dey.
Tiny chi.
Me ma mi hu se mu mi enu mo ye long mi donyame. Me donyame if I see somebody bibia the same support. Just na me catch on. Nyina mo hwɛ mo hu yi wa. Nka so obi asem omrabo obi asem ba you are always there. Unfortunately like mummy enu nyina mo tiri sa yepe. Unfortunately mummy enu mo tiri sa yepe. But me ya che mo sa amala no. Mo ya na ma se deja mo tini say na mo tu ye be o mebo a. Ha? O be jiska you stand.
Brown them baby.
Fro. Also say Inti said be ya muhu mo ho amonye de mumbu mo ho ani chi no mesra mo. School wa. De mani hwe mo mienu. Just now me catch them no. Hmm? You hear me? Good.
We are in the same hostel.
Yes.
Yeah, I think I've seen you around. I didn't know you guys were related.
That's my brother.
You're really pretty. You're really, really pretty.
Thank
Where did
you.
you pass? Where did you pass?
Where did I pass? I don't remember who you found.
She's pretty.
Now, I don't me kasana. I tonight I can't pass him. So the cool still.
Me do much.
What do you check on?
I can't see
me
There be an ice cream. Alright. Yeah, baby. Alright.
Me provisions as I am connect to be mommy.
Say na the body abuka ko tene few. What just na me catch the say na the body abuko few. What's your uncle?
Mr. Fanny Swassa.
Yeah, me pen kwa na me know the party they come my way. Oh yeah. Me am embroso we meya. Me pesa me come any months so meya. Oh Lord, I pray that I will fulfill.
You see that science pamphlet book? I don't have one, so I was asking if you. Yeah, I have. And you see what today that tutor taught us today? I beg me, tell you.
Oh, I can help you with it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So today,
Huh?
remember time, babe?
Come around 16.
But at least shut hard.
Do something good for yourself.
Amma, good morning.
Morning.
I hope you are fine.
Yeah, I'm fine. You?
I'm fine. Is everything okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, I'm checking something down here. I'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, so will you come okay? Around 6.
Chihuahua.
Oh no, it's not you.
Okay, so I'll come, okay?
Alright, sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye.
Alright.